everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a tight coil without using the basic quilling needle. So let's get started. So first of all, for this you will only need a quilling strip and Fevicol. So you need to take the strip, and when we use the quilling needle, then the main purpose of it is to get a grip in the beginning so that we can roll the coil. So in this case, we need to make the grip ourselves. So to make it, first you need to hold this with your fingers like this, and you need to slightly fold the strip like this. Now it's okay if the fold isn't equal, but it just needs to be a proper fold. Now once you folded it, you need to fold it several times. So you're going to hold it like this and fold again. Then you're going to hold it like this and fold again. And fold it a few times, at least 7-8 times, so that there is a proper beginning to continue with the tight coil. Now, like this. Once you've come at least 3-4 times, what you can simply do is hold the strip this way, hold 2 fingers like this, and go on rolling. Go on rolling like this. You can also take it round this way by rotating your strip. But the easier method is to just roll the coil. And this way you need to keep on rolling till you reach the end. So this is how you make a tight coil without using the basic quilling needle. Once you've made the tight coil, you can make any shape that you want with it. I made a video about a few quilling shapes for beginners. You can check that out. So now once you've got this, you just need to put a little bit glue in the end to seal the tight coil. And there you have it. You have a tight coil without using the basic quilling needle. So this is how a tight coil looks with the basic quilling needle, and this is without. So you can check the difference. There isn't much difference. It's just about how proper your grip is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Comment below and subscribe to my channel for more content on music and art and craft. Thank you for watching.